DreamHost claims 100% uptime guaranteed in 2025. Sounds bold, but is it really that reliable for your website? DreamHost is a long-standing hosting provider known for its transparent pricing and commitment to uptime. They back their 100% uptime guarantee with credits if your site goes down, something most hosts won't promise. You get SSD storage, free SSL, daily backups, and free domain with yearly plans. Performance is solid, especially on their managed WordPress plans with built-in caching. The dashboard is clean, but not cPanel, so there's a small learning curve. Support is 24/7 via chat and tickets, with phone callbacks for higher tiers. The downsides? No data centers outside the US and pricing can climb after the first term. Still, for uptime peace of mind, it's one of the most dependable picks in 2025. Rock solid uptime with real guarantees. DreamHost keeps sites online. Follow for more quick hosting reviews.